think give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Today I'm in a Nissan Frontier and I'm just going to go over the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. We're going to start from the left-hand side, okay? Right here is the fan control. Like as I turn it, the fan control comes on. The fan blows harder and harder and harder. In the center is the AC. If you want to turn the air conditioning on, make sure this button is pressed and this AC is lit up, okay? We're going to turn it off because it's not hot outside right now. All right, this right here is the windshield defrost defog button, okay? I press that and the air blows on the windshield to get it to defrost or to defog. Okay, we're going to go to the right. Right here is the recirculation mode. If I press that, after I turn that off, all right, let me move that. After I turn this, that's our air recirculation mode. All the air is recirculating in the vehicle right here, okay? We're gonna move down. This right here is the temperature control, okay? Temperature control, go from hot to cold, all right? And then there's a max AC button, okay? So you turn it on cold, press the max AC button, and that recirculates all the air in the vehicle, giving you the coldest air you possibly could probably get out of this vehicle. We're gonna turn that off, okay? Because it is not cold, okay? It's not hot outside. All right, so we're gonna go right here. This directs the airflow to your feet and the windshield. This directs the air to your face and your feet. This directs the air to your feet, and that directs the air to your face. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.